Data. Data word is taken from Latin word datum, that is something given. Here something means any random data is given. Data means any raw facts or figures. Data is a raw material for information because information is derived from the raw facts. Example of data: it can be any ID, number, characters, images, symbols, etc. Next we see the information. When data is processed, information is formed. By processing data or organizing data or manipulating, we get information. So, by processing the data, our relationship is derived among the data. Example: the image is of employee ID number 1. Before that, we have seen that the image and ID separately were data, but now a relationship is derived. The image is of employee, number ID, then this becomes an information. Difference between data and information: data can be unprocessed, unorganized, but data is processed and organized. Data may be useful or may not be useful, but information is always more useful than the data. Data are raw facts, it can be statistics. Informations are derived from raw facts. Data can be meaningless, but information is always meaningful. Data has no relationship with other entities, but information has a relationship. Data is an individual unit, but information is a group of related data. So that's all about data and information.